I know. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Remember, he gets very scared unless your legs are crossed and your hands are in your lap. Okay, good job. Cross your
That's
legs.
supposed to be lamb. That's supposed to be lammy.
This guy?
Yeah.
No, he's Rascal. He's a raccoon.
So where's the lammy guy?
The lamb that I had a long time ago is at home. This is we had this guy last week, and I know, you weren't here last week when I brought Rascal. It was his first time. Okay, good job.
Oh yeah,
and
you are Easter on
right, I did that, but today we have Rascal.
I can make like a home for you. Rascal's Easter.
Well, Rascal is here for Sunday school now, and when you have other teachers, they're going to have Rascal in this box. And when you see Rascal come out, that means sit on your bottoms, crisscross applesauce, and hands in your lap. Okay. Okay, let me see. Is everybody doing it? Let's see who's doing it. Oh, Kristen's doing it. Yay.
I can only do it
and,
like this.
okay, if you want to crisscross your legs like that, that works. Good. Good job, Landon. Good job, Nathan. Good job, Brandon. Good job, Logan. Good job, Cameron. And good job, Gavin. Now, those of you who were here last week know the song, and it goes, get your hand up. Hand up. Say, hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay? Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Today. Okay, let's do it one more time. Just for those of us who didn't learn it last week. Okay, here we go. Get your hands up because you're going to say hello. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Today. Good job. Oh, I know. They're very good, aren't they? Does that make you happy? Okay. Hi, Brandon. Can you say hi to Rascal?
Hello.
Good job. Hi, Lennon. We're so glad you're visiting today. Can you say hi to Rascal?
Hi, Rascal.
Hi, Nathan.
Hi,
Okay, say it nicely. Say it nicely. Good job. Hi, Kristen. We're so glad you came. Otherwise, I was going to be the only girl today, so I am so glad you came. Hi, Logan.
Hi, Rascal.
Say it nicely because he likes it when you say it. Hi, Cameron.
Hi,
Very nice. You said it nicely. Hi, Gavin. Very good. And Charlie's our big guy here. Charlie, how old are you?
13.
He's 13.
I have trouble days.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday in a couple of days.
Yep.
What day?
14.
June 14th. You know what that means?
Mine is December 18th.
Well, it's not as soon as his. You know what that means?
No.
We need to sing happy birthday to him.